Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the ho- Holiday Village Trio. This is the second house. Yesterday, I showed you this one before I decorated the house, and so I want to come back and show you what the second one looks like. Completely decorated with window frames, doors, and some super cute decorations that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So if you have a Hobby Lobby and a Michael's near you, you'll be able to pick up these decorations. You find these decorations in the mini tree decorating section. Okay. And some are like this, for instance, on this side here, this reindeer, this is an ornament. So the possibilities are endless on ways to decorate this house. You will be able to fit your style because now Christmas decorations come in all sorts of colors, theme based, you name it. So you can totally customize this house to fit your style and it will be so beautiful in any style you pick. So it's this house is 360 degrees, guys. All right. I don't know if you did I turn the lights on. Oh yeah, you can see the lights on in there. See that? Could barely see it because my office has a lot of light, so it floods out the lights in the house. But just beautiful, guys, with with the decor. Remember, this has this picture window up here that you can add three-dimensional items in, and I go over all of that in the videos. Again, this is the second house in the Holiday Village trio. Okay, so I still have one more to show you, and there's a ton of unique things about these houses. One, these picture windows where you can put three-dimensional items in the roof line. All right. The the light aspect and the fact that you can see inside these houses. That's number two. And and look at that reindeer, how gorgeous that is. Again, that's an ornament. See, notice how you can see all the way around on the inside, the roof line, everywhere. And this is the other side. Okay. This last side is identical to the one I just showed you. What is absolutely unique about this house and my projects is this part right here. All right, so the roof line comes off, and that is where your mini album will be inside this box that you see right here. Okay. Inside of the house is where your mini album will be housed. And it's a really great size mini album. 4x6 photos will fit in there, so you don't even have to crop your pictures. As I finish the houses and the mini albums, I will be showing you final reviews of that because I really want you guys to get a jump start on making these. A little bit of glitter schmutz there. So you can buy this now, guys, and it is just sensational. Again, yesterday I showed you this house with no decoration, so it was kind of like, lots of black in it. But I knew it was going to be stunning because I knew I was going to add gold already to this house. So it's really, really gorgeous. So Holiday Trio Style 2. And remember what is all of the unique features of Paper Phenomenon projects, guys. I try to bring you new and different things, and I believe I achieved that here with these houses. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Let me know if you love them. And give me a like, please. Give me a thumbs up. All right. So thank you so very much. I'll see you in a few more videos because I still have three to show, style three, and then show you the mini albums and give you a final review. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.